I hope I'm not late to the party. First off, DJI always nails it with packaging, sleek and compact. Guys, this camera is a very small one that can literally fit in your hand, but don't let the size fool you. This camera performs very well in low light environments. Okay, let's open this up. This camera, I've heard so much about it and I decided to go get one for myself and try it out for my vlogging. So I'm going to be using this for working vlogs, for travel shots, and see how it goes. And the camera is so sleek and discreet. If you are someone who is shy making videos in public, try to get one and you would love it. And the best part is the 2 inches rotatable screen, which you can use to shoot vertical or horizontally without that awkward wrist twisting. And the 3-axis gimbal is buttery smooth. Whether you're vlogging, capturing travel shots, your footage is going to be very cinematic. And also the microphones is so good that you would have no more muffled audio on windy days. This little guy is seriously impressive. I can already see this becoming my go-to for quick shoots and on-the-go content. If you want to see how it performs in real-world situations, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as I'm going to be using this camera a lot for working vlogs and for capturing beautiful places as I go about my daily activities. Do well to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.